Assalamu alaikum. Can you hear me?
जी
Assalamu alaikum. Can you hear me, please?
yes ma'am.
Okay. How are you guys today?
Proud.
All right. Have we covered the content that I asked you guys to do yesterday? Are we done with the question answers?
जी
Okay. Fasi, what about you? Okay. In today's lesson, oh wait, let me start screen sharing. I don't know why my Zoom is giving me trouble today. And at first, it gave me two of myself, and now my cam won't work.
sad life.
Okay, now for today, I'd like to move ahead in Unit 7. And today we're going to do a piece of poetry titled The Asian Fashion Show. Amira, why do you think it's titled The Asian Fashion Show? What does it tell you?
That the clothes represent Asian culture.
Right? That the clothes featured will be from the Asian community. Can you name a few pieces of clothing?
Salwar kameez.
Oh, okay. For everyone,
Yes.
I want just a minute, Amira. What I want you to
Right.
do is all four of you. I want you to type in as many Asian clothing as you can think of. Type it in the chat box. As many Asian clothing as you can think of. Okay. Shalwar kameez. Okay, wait. Let me change the setting for everyone. Do not send me the message. Share the message to everyone, please. Okay, along with, can you repeat your answer, Amira? Muhammad
Right now.
Fasi, I want you to please participate. Good, Ahmed. बहुत ऊंची हूँ मैं मसला नहीं है सलवार कमीज साड़ी बच्चे ईस्टर्न क्लोथ्स कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट डिफरेंट ईस्टर्न क्लोथ्स डू वी हैव ठीक है मुझे पता है कि ईस्टर्न क्लोथ्स क्या होते हैं मैं आई वांट यू गाइस टू टेल मी कुर्ता ओके till now we have sari salwar kameez kurta can you think but see I haven't had any response from you think of some clothes that men and women wear on weddings lehenga very good what do men wear Fasi, I still haven't received any response from you. गरारा शेरवानी वेरी गुड
पहले खराब हो गया
मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं सिर्फ राफे और अमीरा को पढ़ा रही हूँ और तो कोई पार्टिसिपेट ही नहीं कर रहा इधर पसी
मैम टर्बन हो सकता है.
वेट बेटे
लड़कों का तो कुर्ता ही होता है
well number one please speak in English number two there are so many different types of clothes that men wear as well since I'm having a technical issue my camera is switched off myself at least students can you please switch on your cameras Turbans, very good. Turbans are also a part of, clothing. Very good. East Asian clothing. A three-piece suit. A three-piece suit will not be considered Asian, Fasi, number one, I want you to give the answer. The reason why I've set the setting to everyone is so that everyone can see the answer. Number one, these are the spellings. It's PANTS, pants. And pants are not Asian, by the way. Pants are Western clothing. Okay? I would still want you guys to. There's so many different kind of clothes. Why can't you think of something? Okay,
Because they only wear one type.
looking at the list of chat now, we have shalwar kameez and dupatta. Shalwar kameez for men. Muhammad Ahmed said sari. Rafi said kurta. And then we had lehenga and gharara and sherwani. And Amira also added turbans. Hijab, very good, very good. Hijab is also vest, very good. Now you're at it. Waistcoat, good job. Burqa, very good, very good. Okay, very good. Think a little more. Rummage through your brains. What are the different things that you watch people wearing in movies, in the different weddings? Okay. Um, Now, let's come to the introduction of. Okay, we have another answer. Prince coat, again, it will be considered Western clothing. Okay, Sherwani is something typical to Asian region. See, in the region of Asia, which includes Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. Over here, people, if you talk about the lores, okay, you have shalwar, you have tang pajama, you have churidar pajama, you have dhoti, and that's basically it. Oh, yes, when we talk about ladies, we have gharara, sharara, lehenga, shalwar, trousers, and churidar pajama. And then we have those samosa shalwars and tulip shalwars, etc. Okay? When you talk about the top, you have shirts, the regular shirts. You have kurta, you have the blouse and sari, and even for men in earlier times, if you think of it, even men used to wear kurtas, which are still worn today, but there are two types of kurtas. One are those
हाँ
collared
क्या
ones,
हमने ऑन नहीं है
ones that here. Yes, my dear.
nothing मैम
Okay. Um, yeah. So the thing is, why do you think the topic is the Asian fashion show? Why?
because it features Asian culture.
Because it is representing the Asian countries. Very good. And where do you think? Okay, let's have a look at the introduction, and we will find out why specifically an Asian fashion show. If you think of it, the Asian community is so full of luxurious clothing and beautiful, vibrant colors, intricate handiwork, intricate embroideries that the whole world is attracted to them. So let's have a quick. The following poem, The Asian Fashion Show, is written by Maniza Alvi and comes from a collection of her poetry called The Country at My Shoulders. So, the title of the book where she has collected all her poems is The country at my shoulders. What do you think that means? The country at my shoulders. Can you think of it? What it would mean? Literal or contextual?
Pakistan.
That she is very close to her country.
That she is close to her country. You are guessing it right. She's from Pakistan because that's what is written next. But what does country at her shoulder? This phrase itself mean? She's close to her country, but in what way?
Fashion.
Sorry,
Fashion.
not no, not fashion. Dekho, the title of the book is "Country at My Shoulders." Okay, out of that book, one of the poems, of the several poems that she's written over there, one of the poems is Asian Fashion Show. Okay, why do you think she has titled her book "Country at My Shoulders"? सोच नहीं रहे हम हैं, सुबह सुबह का वक्त है तो कोई भी नहीं दिमाग अपना इस्तेमाल कर रहा.
मैम थोड़ा टाइम है.
कि बेटा कितना टाइम देना, यहाँ पे ऑनलाइन क्लास है, जल्दी जल्दी सोचना होता है.
मैम जब एक कंट्री किसी इंसान पे इन्फ्लुएंस डालती है.
इन्फ्लुएंस डालती है, वेरी गुड. थिंक ऑन दोज लाइंस, थिंक फर्दर. जब मैं किसी कंट्री में जाके बैठूंगी, व्हाट विल माय कंट्री डू टू मी? आई विल बी,
गूगल जिंदाबाद.
not Google Zindabad, but I will be representing my country. Isn't it so?
जी.
And so, whatever actions that I do, they are going to bear the stamp of my country on them. Isn't it so? यही होता है ना? हम क्या करते हैं क्लास में? If some child misbehaves, what do we say? A child from pre-O has done, or the child from O levels 1 has done such and such action. ठीक है? So that would be the country at my, sorry, the class at my shoulder. Get the idea?
जी.
जी.
The thing is, you are representing your country and you bear the name, isn't it? And you are responsible for the kind of image that you portray of the country that you represent. Okay, so that weight of responsibility is on your shoulder. Get the idea?
जी.
Okay, the country at her shoulder is Pakistan, where she was born and from where she was brought to England as a baby. Here she describes her experiences at an Asian fashion show at a college where a Pakistani student shows that despite being settled in England, she still feels strongly drawn to Pakistan, her parents' country. Okay? Again, just like the text that we recently did, the what was it यार, एक मिनट, आज सुबह तो मुझे लगता है मुझे भी सारी चीजें भूल गई. The play script, okay, the play script Paper Tigers. In that, you also saw that there was this character, Mr. Ali, and he had also immigrated from Pakistan to England. But when he talks about his experience, he is talking about the negativity, the prejudice, the racism that he has had to face. Now, in this poem, you will see that an exact opposite is happening. Here is a child who was brought as a baby to England, and she is going to the school where obviously most of the students, they are also Pakistani, and they are conducting a fashion show which is more influenced by the Asian side instead of the Western side. And then she feels strongly drawn to Pakistan. This phrase, it is very important. Why? Because over here in this poem, we will see a different kind of vision, a different theme. While Mr. Ali was facing prejudices, we will notice that over here, um, that prejudice, or people who belong to some different country and come to settle in another area, they still want to connect to their roots, and they are very strongly influenced by their homeland. And my next question is, do you think that is a good thing? Being
Yes.
connected to your roots,
Patriotism?
patriotism, yes, or being connected to
No.
your roots.
Yes.
Very good. Now, do you think keeping patriotic to your country is helpful in developing yourself in a different country?
No. I
Why?
don't know, maybe. Maybe.
Should one be ashamed of his identity, his true nationality once abroad?
No.
Why not? Why shouldn't I be ashamed that I'm a Pakistani?
Because you can't change your nationality.
But I can tell a lie. Or I can say, oh yeah, I'm, from England. My parents were from Pakistan, but it's like the 3 generations that we were here. I don't want to
They
share.
will find out anyway.
They'll find out.
When they find out, because there's always an Pakistani accent in Pakistan.
No, not necessarily. There are people living in England who have, their third generations are living over there, and they're born and bred over there. And no matter what, um, they do not speak Urdu at home as anymore. So those children, they have difficulty speaking in Urdu once they come to Pakistan. Or there are even cases who haven't visited the current generation. They have never visited Pakistan, and they're not even interested anymore. What about them? How do you think they would take pride in telling people that, or that they are from Pakistan? And technically, they are not. Hmm? Do you think they should take pride?
It's their own country.
Huh? They obviously, because now for them, the fourth generation, for them, UK is their, let's suppose they have immigrated to UK, well, then UK is going to be their home country. So they're not as attached to Pakistan as probably the first ancestor who came and landed in England. Now, here she describes her experience at an Asian fashion show at a college where a Pakistani students show that despite being settled in England, she still feels strongly drawn to Pakistan, her parents' country. The glossary is given already on the side. We will cover the glossary later. I'd like you guys to read the text.
Ji.
Muhammad Ahmed, I'd like you to start reading the text, please. Loud and clear. It's a very simple poem. You will only need to read it at least once or twice to get the gist of it, and the second time to understand any concept which you might have skipped. Yes, Ahmed.
It's a charity show, a diversion from a chat, chap, and baked beans. I usher Asian girls
A
towards the few
diversion
rows.
from chat, chips, and baked beans. Okay.
I usher Asian girls towards the few rows of chairs into the school hall. College student parade. Young women drift across the dusty parquet. Modeling informal clothes and saris for a special occasion. Shalwar kameez so stunning they ward off is insult. Silk that could brush against year of crisscross
Graffiti.
Toward Ruxana shows me her
Afterwards.
fashion folder. Afterwards, Ruxana show me her fashion folder, Asian clothes, pin-ups, photographs of Imran Khan. Ooh. She tells me where to buy such outfits. The best shop in Wembley, and Moorgate.
Hmm.
Ask if I have relatives in Pakistan. But by morning, she found out from her dad the price of my air ticket to Islamabad. The
Yes,
end.
by Muniza Alvi. Now the thing is, what is the occasion? When is the poem taking place? When is this Asian
Pa-
fashion show taking place? Yes, 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 yes.
Pakistan?
No, 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 no. I'm talking
College,
about the occasion. The occasion
right?
where
Charity show?
a charity show.
England.
Very good. Very good. It is a charity show. And obviously, remember, Muniza Alvi is living in the UK. She's studying in a college in the UK. The college is for the Pakistani students. And it is in the college that this Asian fashion show is taking place. Okay, so you have to remember this at all times. Now, the occasion is the charity show. Now, where is the charity show taking place? Oh, sorry, where is this show taking place? I just gave you the answer.
Charity
In
show.
UK?
UK.
Where in the UK?
Wembley,
No.
England.
बेटे
then
इंग्लैंड में कहाँ पे हो रहा है कि
College.
कॉलेज
उसकी
वेरी गुड बिल्कुल बिल्कुल दिमाग बंद है मेरे बच्चों की आज वेरी गुड it the occasion is the charity show and it is taking place at a college. What sort of age do you think these students are? क्या can you guess कि students की age क्या होगी?
16.
Teenager.
Teenagers. The poem says young women. Young women, obviously they are teenage enough, they're grown up enough to be interested in different kinds of
Little
clothing.
women.
Okay, now what does Rukhsana talk about after okay, um किस चीज का वो ना नंद को पता है कनवू करके कुछ है फिर 643 है शायद ठीक से नहीं मुझे याद KANWH पता नहीं हाँ कुछ इसी तरह करके है सॉरी somebody came to check the password अब अगर किसी को चाहिए हो तो बेशक ले ले अच्छा okay why do you think the poet says that the shalwar kameez wards off insults?
It was stunning.
It wards off criticism.
Criticism, very good. It shows that most of the students who are there at the fashion show, they are critical of the Western clothing. That is, they insult anybody who walks in at the parquet. Parquet is, can you see this yellow piece of high raised platform on which the model walks?
Okay.
That's a parquet. Okay, now the thing is, once any model comes in, now the modeling is also being done by the college students, by the way. Okay, now whenever a girl walks in wearing a shalwar kameez, everybody starts praising. No insults are bombarded. On the other hand, it shows that although it is not written over here, it shows that anybody who comes wearing a Western piece of clothing, that is pants or skirts or something similar to the gora, the girls, they are very insulting towards it, even if it is absolutely decent. Okay. Now the thing is, the modeling is of informal clothing. Informal clothing are the ones that you wear on special occasions. Okay, saris for special occasions as well. And okay, it says modeling informal clothes and saris for special occasions. Now the special occasions could be someone's wedding, someone's akika, someone's kisi ke bachche ki bismillah. Bismillah is when some child starts reciting Quran, or some child has completed the recitation of the whole Quran, and then you will have another, occasion to celebrate, which is called the Ameen. ठीक है, there are so many different, किसी की बेटे की मंगनी, बच्चों की मंगनी, निकाह, Eid. These are special occasions for the Pakistani community anywhere abroad. Okay, so the clothes that are being displayed are showcased specially for such occasions. All right, so she says shalwar kameez is so stunning that they ward off insults. Silk, the girls, they are wearing clothes made out of silk that could brush against years of crisscross graffiti. Can you guess what crisscross graffiti would mean? What is graffiti?
Drawings
Drawings. Where are these drawings created?
on the walls by spray paint.
Very good. Graffiti is a kind of art which is done. The canvas is basically wall, and the spray cans are used to create graffitis. Now, remember, children, that graffiti is a kind of way, expression of the best and easiest form of racism, by the way. Okay? It shows that the Asian people, the people originally from the UK, they are racist towards the Asians. Okay? As I told you yesterday, specifically, they are racist towards Pakistanis. Okay, there are several reasons why, um, out of which simply Pakistanis are Muslims, so they face a lot of racism compared to the Indians. Okay, now what happens is that the local community, the children and the adults from the UK, they come towards the regions. There are specific areas where the immigrants live, specifically the Pakistanis. Okay, so what used to happen was that they used to come to the Pakistani community, where the Pakistani community lived, and they used to, in the dark, they would the British children, they would come and they would draw graffitis on the walls, and these graffitis would be very racist, very insulting. So here it says, the poet says that these girls are wearing silk that it is so soft, so elegant, so delicate that if it rubs against your skin, it is so soft, it makes you forget everything, even the hurt in your heart that you have, that has built up due to years and years of those racist graffitis. Get the idea?
Yes.
Okay, I'll just take 2 to 3 minutes more. At 9:40, I'll end your lesson. Okay, I just want to what you call it, just let you understand the question answer. Oh, sorry, the poem first. Okay. Afterwards, Rukhsana shows me her fashion folder. It means that there's this girl, Rukhsana, and she has this habit of, keeping a folder in which she collects all sorts of pictures from different magazines. Asian clothes. Now the fashion folder is full of Asian clothes. Pin-ups. Pin-ups होते हैं. If you've ever seen in a magazine, there is a full length, पूरे magazine के जो page होता है ना, उसके साइज का पिक्चर्स, ठीक है. और समटाइम्स जो पुराने मैगजीन होते थे ना, वो ये स्टेपल लगे हुए आते थे, तो उस स्टेपल के साथ ना जो सेंटर का जो पेज होता था ना, उसमें पूरे पेज का, यानी 2 पेजेस के बराबर का, मैं देखूंगी कल क्या कहते हैं, अगर मैं उसके लिए पिनअप के लिए कोई तस्वीर ढूंढ सकी, तो पूरे 2 पेजेस के बराबर का एक बीच में ना पोस्टर सा बना हुआ आता था, ठीक है, which used to showcase a celebrity या किसी के कपड़े, किसी particular designer के कपड़े, etc. ठीक है. So this girl Rukhsana, she has added those pin-ups as well. She has a lot of photographs of Imran Khan. मुख्तलिफ अखबारों से, मुख्तलिफ जगहों से उसने posters जमा करके इमरान खान के डाले हुए थे. अच्छा, remember, this poem is written when इमरान खान लाइक कब हम लोगों ने वर्ल्ड कप जीता था? 1992 94 कब? I think 1992. Correct me, boys.
मैम 1992 में जीता।
है ना? तो अब देख लो कि इमरान खान के पोस्टर्स उस वक्त रखे हुए थे, ठीक है, बिकॉज इमरान खान वाज अ हार्ट थ्रॉब बैक देन अमंग्स द लेडीज, ठीक है. इमरान खान वाज अनमैरिड एंड ही वाज अ गॉर्जियस हंक बैक देन, considered by some. I do not, this is not my opinion, okay. I never found him handsome. मैं उस वक्त छोटी थी और मुझे ये तब भी नहीं पसंद था. Oh sorry, ये सारा कुछ रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है, sorry. No political statements. Acha, so the thing is, there were girls who found him, obviously they were of age, so they really adored him. जिस तरह आजकल हम किसी भी celebrity को adore करते हैं, ठीक है. तो जिस तरह लड़कियां अभी भी पिक्चर्स देखती हैं, जिस तरह there are children, I know so many students who are huge fan of BTS. So the way
जी 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 जी
छोटी
जी
छोटी पिक्चर्स, उनको छोटी सी पिक्चर मिलेगी वो भी अपने पास
Yes,
संभाल,
ma'am.
बड़ा पोस्टर मिलेगा वो भी संभाल लेंगी, ठीक है. तो
मैम स्मैश मैगजीन में भी तक आता है,
हाँ,
ये जो आप पिन अप्स बात कर रही हैं.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. आई नो अस मैगजीन मैंने भी बहुत पढ़ा हुआ है, ठीक है. So girls back in those days they were crazy about Imran Khan. तो उसकी ना बहुत सारी तस्वीरें ये अखबारों से, मैगजीन्स में से जमा कर करके रखती थी. Okay, she tells me where to buy such outfits. अब वो बता रही है कि जी तुम इस तरह के कपड़े अगर तुम्हें चाहिए हो तो where can you buy them? She tells me about the best shops in Wembley and Moorgate. These are places in England. Okay, and she asks me if I have relatives in Pakistan. Now, remember, children, most of the people who lived over there, they would collect money by ill means or by any way, at times by ill means. They were very stingy, क्योंकि इंग्लैंड आज भी बहुत महंगा है उधर रहना, ठीक है. तो अभी भी लोग जो है ना, कुछ कुछ लोगों की वो आदतें नहीं बदली. लोग बहुत स्टिंजी होके, बहुत कंजूसी के साथ उधर रहते हैं, ताकि साल के अंदर या 2 या 3 साल के बाद वो इतने अमाउंट जमा कर लें कि पूरी की पूरी फैमिली जो है ना वो पाकिस्तान विजिट कर सके. फिर वो पाकिस्तान से आके ढेर सारे कपड़े, जूते, इस तरह की चीज़ें बना के वापस लेकर जाते हैं, ठीक है. Now, here comes the last two lines tell you how different our poet is from the rest of the girls. She asks if I have relatives in Pakistan. By morning, she's found out from her dad the price of my air ticket to Islamabad. Okay? Probably Rukhsana has never visited Pakistan herself. लेकिन क्यों? क्योंकि probably her parents do not have enough money to go back. अब क्या हुआ कि अगली सुबह रुखसाना के जो फादर थे, he has told her, maybe she went home और उसने मुनीज़ा के बारे में बातें की होंगी कि जी मुनीज़ा मेरी दोस्त बनी है, वो फलाने की बेटी है. तो what happens is कि जब बच्चे अपने घर जाके बातें करते हैं, तो अगर parents they know the other child's parents, they might have a little chit chat about your child, about one child with their child, ठीक है. तो अब क्या हुआ कि बातों बातों में उसके फादर ने, रुखसाना के फादर ने उसको बता दिया कि तुम्हें पता है ये लोग पाकिस्तान जा रहे हैं. एंड Islamabad, remember, even back then Islamabad was the capital of Pakistan and it was considered, आज भी यही इस्लामाबाद का एक इमेज है कि यहाँ पे elite class रहती है, ठीक है. पाकिस्तान की जो elite है, it lives in Islamabad. Okay, and so when she has found out the price of my air ticket to Islamabad, most probably Muniza is traveling first class, business class to Pakistan, to Islamabad, soon after writing this poem. Okay, so which do you think that will influence? What, do you think that price is costly?
Maybe.
Most probably, okay. And that most probably has influenced Rukhsana, probably in a positive or a negative way that we do not know, okay. Now, with that, we'll come to the end of our lesson. I would like you guys to read the poem at least twice, and we will cover the question answers tomorrow, inshallah. ठीक है? It's Friday
मैम ऑन
tomorrow,
जीसी
right?
और Zoom?
हाँ?
मैम जीसी पे या जूम पे?
नहीं नहीं, जूम पे ही। कल तो लाइव क्लास है ना हमारी।
जी।
ठीक है, कल मेरे ख्याल लाइव क्लास है हमारी। 1 मिनट में आप लोगों का टाइम टेबल देख लेती हूँ। आइए लामिया जी,
मैम लाइव है,
लाइव
पहली क्लास।
कल। ओ यल्ला, कल फिर सुबह सुबह 9 बजे मुझसे। अच्छा 1 मिनट ठहरो, पहले मैं रिकॉर्डिंग बंद कर दूं। अच्छा जी, थैंक यू वेरी
मैम टाइम स्विच कर लें,
है
मैम टाइम स्विच कर लें।
यार। टाइम ना है ना, टाइम चेंज होना चाहिए मुझसे ना। इतनी सुबह सुबह इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू टेक अ लेसन।
मैम हमारी भी दिमाग की बत्ती नहीं चलती।
मैं मैम से बात करती हूँ कि अगर मैं फ्राइडे को ना 11 o'clock, तो फिर बहुत लेट हो जाता है, फिर नमाज की तैयारी करनी होती है। तो
9:40
9:40 वाली क्लास ले लिया करूँ,
नहीं मैम।
ठीक है ना?
मैम 9:40 को कुछ नहीं है कल,
हाँ,
10:20 क्लास है।
मैं कल के लिए ना मैम से बात करती हूँ, और फ्राइडे का हम टाइम चेंज कर लेते हैं।
सही हो गया।
ठीक हो गया? चलें, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
अल्लाह हाफिज।
अल्लाह हाफिज।